Okay, I'm going to show you one of the absolute best ways to stop flies from getting into your trash can. I know that a lot of people are really tired of dealing with flies in their trash can, so we have a couple things. I have a dog, I got the garbage. The dog goes to the bathroom in the yard, which attracts a ton of flies to start with. So I have a fly trap that I've hung over here to help catch flies just because of the dog droppings, you know. You can see how I've mounted that to the metal pole. Obviously you can screw those into wood. I have another one way over there in the corner, kind of near where I have the trash cans, because the dog also goes back here. And these things, I mean, these traps within a month, you know, they'll catch 100,000 flies pretty easily, maybe more. It's a lot. So the garbage cans, we have to seal the lip of the can. We have to form a good seal, but the type of seal that can still allow gases to escape. That's critical, right? So here we have an expansion foam. This is 1 inch by 1 1/8. It has the double-sided sticky tape on it. Here's what it looks like. I'll put links in the description to pick these up on Amazon, to pick this up on Amazon. And basically what you do is you clean the lip, the inner lip, and I'll show you on this can. You clean this lip right here, this with 91% isopropyl rubbing alcohol. You clean it really, really good. Okay, it has to be chemically clean. And then we attach our foam expansion seal 360 degrees all the way around. Okay, and then, now this trash can's not sitting on level ground right now, but you can see, hold on, you can see here, you can see now the foam, right? How that looks right there. It completely seals up all the way around 360 degrees this lid, so flies can't actually get in, but gases can still escape, right? And that's absolutely fantastic. You know, you can see over here where we have major gap. See that major gap there where tons and tons of flies could just easily go in? That is now completely sealed off. No flies can get in there. Okay, so your expansion foam seal, and I'll just bring it down so you can kind of see how that looks, how that works. Boom. It's good to go. Now the lid is where you want to put it, on the lid. Without question, that's where you want it to be. You don't want it to be on the can, because then it'll get all disgusting. But there you go. Ultimate life hack.